Hello students, I am Miss Shahira and today we'll be going to learn about the degree of adjective. Are you guys ready? So, what is adjectives? Adjectives are used to describe, justify, modify, or quantify nouns or pronouns. There are 3 degrees that compare one thing to another, which are positive, comparative, and superlative. Now, let's look into it one by one. Firstly is the positive degree. Positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. For example, Ali has a beautiful voice. Jay has a sweet smile. Secondly is the comparative degree. It refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, people, or places. For example, her voice is more beautiful than her classmates. His smile is sweeter than his friends. Thirdly, superlative degree. It refers to the greatest degree of adjective and is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. For example, Ailey has the most beautiful voice among her classmates. Jay's smile is the sweetest of all. Moving on to the formation of comparative and superlative adjectives. Firstly is one syllable. We need to add the ending "er" for the comparative and ending "s" for the superlative. For example, positive tall, comparative taller, and superlative tallest. Secondly is one syllable ending with vowel consonant. If the adjective has a consonant plus single vowel plus consonant spelling, the final consonant must be doubled before adding the ending. For example, positive big, comparative bigger, superlative biggest. Thirdly is more than one syllable ending with consonant Y. When the adjectives ending in Y, then we need to change the consonant Y to vowel I before adding the ending er and s. For example, positive happy, comparative happier, superlative happiest. For the fourth type of adjective, which is 2 syllables and 3 or more syllables, adjectives with 2 or 3 or more syllables form the comparative by putting more in front of the adjectives and putting most for the superlative. For example, positive attractive, comparative more attractive, superlative most attractive. Lastly is irregular adjectives. We also have completely irregular comparative and superlative forms. As an example, positive good, comparative better, and superlative best. Okay students, let's have a quick test within 5 seconds. Tell me, what is the comparative and superlative adjective for the word cheap? Correct, comparative cheaper, superlative cheapest. What about expensive? Correct, comparative more expensive, superlative most expensive. I hope all of you guys can understand the lesson today. That is all. Bye bye students!